You work hard. You stay late. You've done everything you were told to do. Go to school, get the job, be responsible. So why does it still feel like you're drowning? Why does your money disappear before the month even ends? Here's what no one tells you. You're not broken. The system is designed to keep you distracted from the tiny leaks that quietly destroy your wealth. But if you can spot them, you can escape them. Today, you'll learn 11 small shifts that most people ignore. But once you apply them, they compound into something powerful. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal the single, silent habit that quietly separates the broke from the wealthy. And it's not what you think. If you're tired of working harder and still feeling stuck, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone you care about. Because this might just be the escape plan you've been searching for. 1. Your bank account is too comfortable. You let your money sit there. No interest, no movement. But banks are using your money and earning from it. Why not flip the script? Move your savings to a high-interest savings account. Even 3 to 5% can grow into thousands over time with no extra work from you. Shift number 1. Make your money work harder than you do. 2. The subscriptions you forgot you had. $4.99 here, $7.99 there. You barely notice them until one day you realize you're spending $100 plus a month on stuff you don't even use. Go into your bank statements, search for recurring, cancel ruthlessly. Shift number 2. Cut what you've already outgrown. 3. Your energy bill is quietly robbing you. You don't need to freeze, but adjusting your thermostat by just 1 degree could save you 10 to 15% on your heating bill annually. Even better, seal your windows, fix your doors. Tiny gaps equals big money lost. Shift number 3. Comfort doesn't have to be expensive, just smarter. 4. You budget, but not the right way. Monthly budgets make you feel good until they fail, because they miss the big picture. Start tracking your income and expenses over a year, not just monthly. You'll uncover patterns that monthly views hide. Shift number 4. Zoom out and take control of the full landscape. 5. You upgrade instead of maintaining. Your laptop slow? You buy a new one. Shoes scuffed? You toss them. But maintenance is cheaper than replacement. Clean, repair, stretch the life of what you already own. Shift number 5. Before you upgrade, ask, can I extend? 6. You're saving, but carrying expensive debt. Saving while carrying credit card debt is like filling a bathtub with the drain open. Paying 20% interest while earning 3% is financial self-sabotage. Prioritize debt, then build. Shift number 6. Kill the high-interest fire before planting seeds. 7. You're loyal to brands, not logic. You buy the same coffee, the same clothes, the same gadgets, even when cheaper, better options exist. Why? Because habits are comfortable, but comfort costs. Next time you're about to buy, ask, would I buy this if it had no label? Shift number 7. Buy value, not validation. 8. You rely on discipline instead of systems. You promise to save whatever's left at the end of the month, but there's never anything left. The fix? Automated. Set your account to move a percentage to savings the moment you get paid. Shift number 8. Build a system that removes you from the process. 9. You buy cheap and pay twice. A cheap phone, a $30 pair of shoes. They feel smart until they break. Now you're spending again and again. Invest in durability, not price tags. Shift number 9. Buy once, cry once. 10. You've never negotiated your bills. Your phone bill, internet, car insurance, they're often negotiable. Most companies would rather give you a discount than lose you, but you have to ask. Use price comparison sites. Then call. You might save $30 to $80 per month in under 10 minutes. Shift number 10. Be your own advocate. No one else will. 11. You've never defined what rich means for you. Most people chase money blindly, but they've never stopped to ask, what does my ideal life actually look like? Once you define it, you stop wasting money on things that don't align. Maybe it's freedom, travel, simplicity, time with loved ones. When you know your why, you can finally build around it. Shift number 11. Clarity beats more income. Every time. You've made it this far. So here's the truth I promised. The wealthiest people don't think in dollars. They think in leaks. They're obsessed with what's slowly dripping out of their lives, not just financially, but mentally, emotionally, and physically. And they plug those leaks before they focus on growth. That's the habit. That's the mindset. Watch your leaks, and you'll multiply your wealth. You don't need a new job. You don't need a winning lottery ticket. You just need to stop ignoring the small stuff. Because the difference between broke and free, it's not luck. It's 1,000 tiny silent decisions made every single day. Now it's your move. Which shift will you make today? If this gave you value, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who's tired of being stuck. Your escape plan doesn't start with a breakthrough. It starts with a choice, and maybe that choice is now.